So why we choose Sipalay? We choose Sipalay for its stunning natural beauty, particularly its pristine white sand beaches like Sugar Beach, clear waters perfect for diving, hidden coves, tinagong dagat, waterfalls, and caves, offering a laid-back escape with nature explorations, rich local culture, Negrinos food like chicken inasal, and authentic Filipino experiences away from major crowds. The natural attractions in Sipalay such as beaches, caves, and mountain. The beaches and bays like Sugar Beach, Montalbano Beach, Perth Paradise Resort, Abong Caves, Panaon Rock Formation. The cultural attractions in Sipalay such as festival and the traditions. Barangay Festival, or also known as a Flying Fish Festival. Pasaway Handurawan Festival. Burangoy Tourism Kite Festival. Kamindangan, Sipalay Coffee. Keeping Pan di Dabog. Negriness flavors. Here's the man-made attractions that you can visit in Sipalay. City proper port, Sipalay Eco Center, Dolungan Mangrove Eco Park,
Top of buckle.
So wala po. Ayan. Init. Ayan yung mga van sa labas. Ito yung van. Init.
Dirito ako kay Wetarian daw, puro lang parking na ano. Wala para nga po, tinabang na. Iyaw ko ito mga
CR break muna. Oo. Bagakay.
Magakay.
Ay, ang dami.
Oo, 8 nga.
Ang laki masyado.
Ang laki. Buti nga may ano eh. May bakante siya.
May wifi kayo tayo? Wala kasi signal eh. Wait lang. Ay, malamok. So, 4 na bunk beds. So, ano to? Dalawang pang dalawahan.
2% ka to.
2%.
4, 6, 8.
Tapos ito yung CR.
CR.
Ay, may gagamba. Malaki.
Sir?
Gagamba. Malaki.
Agamba, oo, meron yan. Kasi minsan bukas yan dito.
Bali, ang bigay. Ayan yung kainan nila. Ito na yung ham silog. So, 150 pesos to. Silipin natin. Ayan. Yung KTV room nila. Malaki. Slide. Good morning po. Ano pong breakfast? Silog-silog lang. Ayan. Pero meron ng iba. Ay, ganun pa rin yung kagabi. Ayan siya. Yung view. Tapos ito yung mga ibang room sa taas. Puro rooms lang dito sa taas. Silipin lang natin. Ayan na yan, rooms. Okay. So nasa gilid yung swimming pool nila. Ayan. 4 feet tsaka 2 feet sa may slide. Ayan. Tapos ito yung sa reception nila, Seaview Beach Resort. So ito may mga room din dito, mahogany, acacia, mula Binara. Ito yung may mga double, may family.
So why does Sipalay remains competitive? Sipalay remains competitive through a strong focus on sustainable ecotourism, leveraging its natural beauty, beaches, marine life, while implementing policies for environmental protection and community involvement. A successful transition from mining innovation program like Pasaway Handurawan Festival highlighting local culture and achieving high ranking in competitiveness awards for resiliency and infrastructure. Its leadership promotes a vision balancing economic growth with preserving its identity as a primary destination. Let us personally find it interesting. What's personally interesting about Sipalay are its stunning, unspoiled natural landscape. Think azure water, limestone cliff, and islets dotting sea, offering island hopping to places like Tinagong Dagat and Sugar Beach, plus incredible shipwreck diving, rich marine life, hidden caves like Maasim Island Cave, waterfalls, and serene beaches, perfect for escape crowds. It's the jewel of Negros, known for its hidden coves and adventurous yet tranquil vibe. Escape to Sipalay. The Philippines' hidden paradise discovers stunning white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, vibrant marine life of diving and snorkeling, and breathtaking limestone cliffs. Your adventure awaits in Negros Occidental. Come experience its natural beauty and island hopping wonders at places like Sugar Beach and Ponta Balo.